chicken breasts also that I plan on putting in the sous vide after the broccoli because they're two difference in temperature. The chicken will be at 149 degrees. So I'm already up the temperature for the broccoli, and I'm going to go ahead and throw that in now. Oh yeah. Just drop that in there like so. Oh yeah. And then what I'm going to do is everything is connecting. 183 degrees, which is dropped down some. I'm not worried about that. I'm going to go ahead and set that for 1 hour, and then I'm going to go ahead and start my timer. As soon as that's finished, what I'll do is that I'll go ahead and pull that out, and then I will wind up getting the temperature down to 149 degrees, and then I will be able to drop my chicken breasts in. Alright guys, see you in an hour. Alright guys, welcome back. My broccoli is done, 183 degrees, and we're going to pull this out. And also, being that it's as hot as it is, let's make sure that you use a pair of tongs, because I did have to use my little separator here as a weight to hold it down, because sometimes at this temperature and vegetables, they do float. Okay, broccoli is done. Also, to let you know a little bit of feature of using your Echo Dot to work with Joule, you just speak and it'll change the temperature. Alexa, ask Joule to set a temperature of 149 degrees Fahrenheit.
Setting the temperature to 149 degrees Fahrenheit.
Went ahead and changed to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's going to start going into a cooling phase to cool the temperature down. Once that is down to 149 degrees, I'll be back and I'll drop the chicken breasts in, and then we'll go ahead and get these the broccoli and everything else ready to go. Alright guys, see you in a few. Alright guys, welcome back. Temperature is at 149 degrees, 0.4, not bad. So, go ahead and drop my chicken breasts in there. Oh yeah. Set that temperature. It's there. Time, 2 hours. Close that up. Awesome. See y'all back in 2 hours. Alright guys, welcome back. It's been 2 hours and it's time to take the chicken out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, look at that. Broccoli, got our chicken ready to go. Now, just before I pull the chicken out, I popped the broccoli back in there to heat up a little bit. So, what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and plate a little bit of this broccoli in here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, and it smells so good. Look at that. We got little pieces of garlic right there. That looks awesome. Okay, let's pull out one of these chicken breasts. And these chicken breasts are nice size. Let me pull off some of this rosemary and thyme. And it is smelling wonderful. Look at that. One nice looking breast. Okay. Let's go ahead and slice into this. Oh yeah, look at that. Slice is so nice. So juicy. Look at that, just falls right apart. Good Lord. Alright, well, I'm just going to cut a little bit of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and plate this. A little bit of it. All that. Get this little bit right there. Wow, look at that. And that chicken, I can do that right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Fork tender. Take a bite of that. That is awesome. That broccoli is. Oh wow. That broccoli tastes fantastic. Wow. That is a awesome tasting broccoli. I'm gonna take some of that garlic right there, fresh garlic. Oh, awesome. Let me take a bite. More chicken. The flavors are just out of this world. Can't beat it. Fork tender. 2 hours. Broccoli cooked for an hour. I put it back into the Joule and let it warm back up for a good 10 minutes at the 149 degrees, and just took it out just before the chicken was done. It's awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please give me a thumbs up, like. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and please get that bell also right next to it so you can get notifications of new episodes that come up. So, until next time, see you then.